All right, I am going to work out some of the problems that some of you might want to see. Okay, so I'm going to record this just in case you need to see it later. And I know Caitlin is leaving, so, and a couple people aren't here. All right, so we're doing 1 through 13. Those are the ones that we're doing unless we mess it up and I have to add more problems, right? Okay, so number one, I'm going to do a couple that are similar. I'm not going to do all of them, but I'm just pick a few. Number one is very similar to number four, okay? One and four are very similar to each other. All right, so I'm going to do one, but I'm not going to do four. I have a to the first power, since I don't see an exponent there, a to the third, and then another a to the third. The bases are alike here. The bases here are a. So a is being multiplied one time here, three times here, and three times here. So my answer is going to be 1 plus 3 plus 3. Anybody know what that is? Yes. 2. Where's 2? The second one's 2. All right. Thank you. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. And so what does that give you? A to the what power? A to the power of 6. Raise your hand if you got that right on your own. Perfect. That is the same as how you do number 4. I'm not going to do number 4 because they're the same. Put 4 over here. 4 is just like it. I'm going to go to number 2 now. Okay. Number 2 looks like this. We have 2a to the second power b. That's one whole term. It's multiplication between each of these variables and the coefficient. The exponent here, since you don't see one, is automatically 1. Okay. Then we got times 4 as the coefficient, a, b to the second. Again, the exponent here is 1 since you don't see one. So first thing that you're going to do is multiply the numbers together. We're multiplying the coefficients. What is 4 times 2 or 2 times 4? 8. Very good, okay? Now we have a to the second here and a to the first. So we got 2 here plus we got 1 here, okay? All right. So now we got b to the first here and b to the second here. So we're going to add those together. So our final answer is going to be 8, a to the what power? Third, b to the what power? Third. Any questions about that? All right, thumbs up, Miss Reyes. I get that. Sideways, I'm still confused about problems that look like that. Okay, all right, good deal. Okay, so the one that looks like that is going to be number 3 looks like that. The only thing that's different is this is a negative, but a negative times a positive is going to give you a negative. And this one is like that. But I am going to do number 5 because a couple people said they didn't understand. Yes. I would like to turn something in. Okay, just turn it in and leave. All right, number 5, we have 3. Leave the door cracked, baby. Okay. Have a good one. You too. 3x to the third times 3x to the fourth times negative 3x to the second. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to multiply all of the coefficients together. 3, 3, and negative 3. Let's do 2 at a time. What is 3 times 3? 9. What is 9 times a negative 3? Negative 27. Okay. So now let's go to the x's. We got x. All these bases here are x, x, and x. This is x to the third plus x is being multiplied 4 times here plus x is being multiplied 2 times here. Kian, you got that? Do you see what I did? Okay. So my final answer here, put it in basket, baby. My final answer here, we have negative 27x to what power? Very good. The what power? No, adding. There is one. This is being multiplied how many times? 3. This one is being multiplied how many times? 4 times. You get it now? All right. Pause for the calls.